Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 4. I hope you guys are enjoying my video so far. So today I am going to I'm gonna go pull up a tooth because I am getting braces. I'm excited, but I'm also nervous. But I'm gonna pull out a tooth because I have a baby tooth still. So I'm gonna prepare for braces, which I am getting in 2 weeks. So I'm about to head out right now, guys. If you know, I am very friggin' tired right now. Holy, I don't normally wake up early. Like, it's 10 o'clock. Like, you guys are probably like, that's not early. That's early for me. Me not wake up early. Let me know what time you guys wake up. I normally wake up like, okay, 10 o'clock, like 10:30, 11, 12. Like, that's my range for when I wake up. But me not like wake up earlier than that. Unless I'm in Jamaica, me wake up 6 o'clock. Anyways, guys, I'm going now, so I'll see you guys soon. So guys, I just pulled my tooth. So the gauze is there. I'm about to be a side tooth missing bitch. Okay guys, so I'm back home and I am here chilling. Guys, I cannot feel this side of my face. Everything is numb. You can see how my mouth is literally not moving. We feel it earlier. My mouth did twist up like yellow man. No offense, yellow man, but my mouth did twist up like yo. But I'm just here with Keidra. And we're just gonna be chilling. I never ate this morning, so I'm here wondering what I'm gonna eat. I'm required to only eat soft things, so I don't know. I'd drink some porridge, honestly, but guys, the injection just made me feel tired, like me want to sleep. And plus, me tell you already, so me no wake up early and, you know, me feel tired. But, yeah, guys, look here. Oh boy, twist up mouth. Okay, guys, don't mind how I look. I look a mess, I know. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm about to put on a wig. Don't mind how my hair look, as I said. I'm gonna put on my bob wig. And then, yeah, try and look cute, cause right now, me not look cute. Okay guys, so I'm installing my wig. Suppose me really good look, so. Anyways, I'm just doing a glueless install. I am gonna be using this lace lock. You guys can't really see it good. This lace lock, it's a melting spray, so instead of me using glue, I'm gonna be using this. Just put it around the hairline and go on, you know. It's a glueless install, and I have a elastic band on my wig. Yo, me just look like something from the Grinch who stole Christmas. God no. But yeah, I'm about to just spray this where I need it to go. But I used this on my client yesterday, and it seems to stick still, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I cleaned up my hairline already. I'm not wearing no ball cap method because as I said, it's just a glueless. Like, I want to be able to take it off. I'm not trying to wear this all day. So I don't really like to use the got2b spray, and anything that's got to be glue, I don't like using it. It's bad for your hair. And if you guys didn't know, if you guys are new to my channel and you guys did not know, I am a hairdresser. So yeah, that is my job. I am a licensed, let me say it, licensed hairdresser. So let me just do that, and then I'm gonna blow dry on warm, and I'm gonna do like probably three layers. So this literally feels like it's not going nowhere, so I'm just gonna clean up my face a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see the shine, like it kind of caught there, but this is not going nowhere. Now what I'm gonna do, because as you guys can see, there's a cast, right? So I got my elastic band. First I'm gonna spray this. It's a lace tint, whatever. I don't know, the camera does not show it. It's a tint. I'm just gonna spray it. Let me rub my face to kind of help it blend in. Alright. And then what am I gonna do? Tie down my edge then. Just make sure all of these go back. Whee. I'm here doing it like it's a tutorial. This is not a tutorial, this is just my vlog. And by the way, you guys are probably seeing this vlog late in the day because I never had anything prepared for today, for day 4. So, whee. If you guys got this far in the video so far, thank you. Make sure you guys check out my other Vlogmasses if you haven't. And make sure you guys check out my other videos, like my Jamaica vlogs. I got 2 from this year because I went to Jamaica twice. So make sure that you guys check out my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe if you have not already. Alright guys, so this is well nice and tight. And I go steer down. You know, so it melts up into my skin. That was why? Yeah man guys. It look cute, don't it? I'm about to flat iron it out and release up here, so I'm doing baby ears and them something there, so I'm here to stay. So I just add a wax stick so it can make my hair lay flat, so when I do use hot comb or the flat iron, it keeps it down. It's like it's a very waxy consistency. So you see how I'm combing it and it's already straight and I didn't even run no flat iron or nothing through it yet. Just like that. Hey guys, so this is my hairstyle. How it look? Let me know in the comments how it looks. Go short cute hairstyle to look cute in the house. Yeah. Okay, so guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I didn't really do much today, so I don't really have nothing for Vlogmas today, but check out tomorrow. I will have something definitely in store. It's just today I'm not really feeling the greatest, plus y'all already know I pulled out my teeth, but yeah, this is another look at my little ear style. Me and Kedra matches. You can't really see her, but she has the same, you know, thing going on like me. So this is the end of the vlog, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.